So this is Bungonia Lookdown. You're allowed to use your binoculars, but no rock throwing and no abseiling. And that's approaching the viewing platform. Certainly was in for a bit of a shock. Visitors are not allowed to pick any rocks or plant or animal material in the park. So we see the contrast in policy application clearly in front of us. I did not know that there was a limestone quarry. It's a huge hole in the mountainside. The National Park's promotional booklet says nothing about a quarry being here. I suppose they might have been concerned it would put some visitors off. And truly so. So that's looking down into the Shoalhaven River. And it's the background. Now I'm going to look straight down below the platform. It's a big drop. Well, could be a couple of 100-meter drop. Very tempting to throw rocks, isn't it? Down to that dry creek bed. It's a lovely stand of green trees there, although there is no detectable water. There might be... oh, that looks like there is a patch of water there. Patch of dampness. Possibly. And further down in that bend there, there seems to be no concern about the mine company's activity damage to the landscape. Huge amounts of rock and rubble sliding down the slope. It is Saturday and there is absolutely no activity in the mine. I can see the plant right on top of the hill. That's the plant. They do mention blasting in one of the description of the tracks for people to watch out for falling rocks. How ironic. No rock picking whatsoever allowed. Alright, I'll stop it here.